Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you how you can create this Instagram trending story in your Instagram. So let's get start this tutorial. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Go to the search option. Here you have to search one Instagram ID. The username is Shivam80. I will provide you link in description of this ID. Click to the story option. Here you will find this sticker. This sticker is going on trend on the Instagram. 1 million users are using this sticker. Click to the adios option. By going to use this trend, go to the gallery option and you have to choose any one pet pic. So I don't have any pet, so go to the share to the story option. Then you can try this sticker. Now I will show you how you can check out after 24 hours in my story. So I will provide you one highlight. You know what the highlight? I will provide you a highlight. Here you can check my highlight. You will get this sticker always in my Instagram ID. So this is my Instagram ID. You can check this highlight. I have provided all trending sticker in this Instagram ID, so you can check all these stickers. So video is only here. If you like this tutorial, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.